What's up, beautiful people, and welcome to another episode of Don't Keep Up With the Joneses. 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 What's up, beautiful people, to another episode of Don't Keep Up with the Joneses. It's me, Rickey Jones Jr., and I'm so excited because I have an unboxing video, and I haven't done one of these in a long time, which means we have some new products, some new things that will be on this here channel, and I'm excited because this right here is gonna take the videos to a whole nother level, okay? And so I'm gonna go ahead and open this bad boy up, right? And yeah. Okay. Honestly, I have two, and I don't know which was this one. And so now I know that this is, ladies and gentlemen, the DJI mic. And I'm so excited because, as y'all know, moving and living in another country, we're going to be doing a lot of videos. We're going to do a lot of talking. We're going to have a lot of things going on. And I want to make sure the audio is crisp to the point where you are able to see hear everything that it is that we're saying, and everything is audibly sound, okay? Because I've gotten some messages, some comments on videos that I've done saying that the audio is not good on this particular video. And I said to myself, we can't have that anymore. And so now we have the solution, the DJI mic, okay? And so I'm gonna just go ahead and do as it says. It says open here. And so we just gonna see, oh, boom. There's a little sticker right there, boom, right? And so we in that bad boy, open that like so. And then we just gonna open this bad boy again right there. And then for those that may not know, in the box, I'm gonna just come to the screen. I'm right here, boom. In the box we have charging case, okay? We have a receiver, so you know the things can speak to it. The transmitter, right? We have a carrying pouch. We have a hot shoe adapter. We have a windscreen, which is always necessary when you're outside. Mobile phone adapter, okay, two of those. Camera, audio cable, and we have an instruction manual, a clip magnet, two of those, and a charging cable, okay? And so all these things come in the box. So you may be wondering, ooh, I like this. You know, it's like a box in a box. You may be wondering, what is in the box? Well, hey, now you know. When you're looking for it online, on Amazon is actually where I have mine. And here's a nice pouch, which the pouch looks very nice. I'm definitely pleased with it. I like the material, right? Oh, and here's the windscreens scenarios, right? Two of them. So that when we're outside talking, all the wind and things doesn't interfere with the audio. And so shouts out to them for that. And then there's the instruction manual, and we'll see if like any like registrations or whatever. Here's the charging cable, USB-C. I think this is USB-A, but it can plug into like, you know, any of your charging apparatus or blocks or anything like that. And here's your audio cable. And then, ladies and gentlemen, what we've all been waiting for, what we are actually here for, what I'm actually excited for, is the actual audio mics. Woo! Don't you love paper and plastic? And the case is nice, I must say that. The case is nice and sturdy. I feel like I have like good grip on this bad boy, and I'll be good to go with it. And you know, everywhere I go. But nonetheless, we are here, right? Oh, snap. Oh, I gotta show y'all this. As soon as you open this bad boy, here's the DJI scenario. As soon as you open it, it is ready to go. It's already synced together. It's already flowing. And okay, and inside the box, we have our connectors for the phones, right? And so, you know, whether I'm using my phone or a new phone, I'll be able to just plug it in like so. And then if I'm using a camera, we have the audio cable to do that, okay? And so even to show you all visually, right, I'm showing you the unboxing, but audibly, I'm gonna even let you hear what it sounds like with the mics as opposed to the mic I have, right, the Rode mic from the camera into the camera. I'm gonna let you hear the audio. And so what I like about it is that it has this digital screen that you are able to select your language and all that good stuff. You're gonna put in the date. Yep, it's actually the right date. If not, I'll change it later. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 11:30 a.m.
Perfect. So you hear me with the audio from the Rode mic, and now you get to hear me from the audio from the mic, right? And I can see that it's picking up from the receiver over there. I can discreetly just put this bad boy right on my shirt. I'm trying to go in there without showing you any of it, but boom shakalaka, here it is. The mic is on my shirt. I can have it flipped on the inside as well, but this is the audio now from the mic into the camera. And so just like that, it's right out of the box, able to be used right here, right now, and we can keep on going about our day. Like, I love when technology is just that simple, because somebody like me doesn't need anything complicated or intricate, because I like things very simplistic, okay? If it's on the other end, I'm more likely to say no, 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 no. And so I'm saying that to say, if your boy Ricky Jones Jr. can figure it out, connect it, and hook it up right then and there, so can you. So again, links will be down below to the Amazon link for this particular product itself. And yeah, man, go for it. Let me know if it is something that you do get or something that you do purchase, and we'll have some fun, right? And so make sure y'all come back, because I have some more things that I'll be unboxing as well, because again, I'm trying to take our videos to the next level so people like you can enjoy all of the content that is presented on this here channel. So you now know why the audio is going to be nice, clean, and crisp. And if it's not, let me know in the comment section below, and I'm gonna figure out what's going on, right? But anyway, I love y'all great people, and I will see you on the next video. Peace.